Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. In this video we will be seeing dictionary data type in Python. Okay, this is also one of the built-in data types provided in Python. Now we'll see what the dictionary is. Again, dictionary is unordered collection of elements. That means they are not stored in continuous memory location but can be accessed continuously. Now we'll see the second feature, that is the contents of dictionary are changeable. Once we write something to the dictionary, we can update the values in the dictionary. Next, in dictionary, no duplicate values are allowed. The meaning is once you have some item in dictionary, we cannot change it. We cannot have the repeated value. We can change it, but we cannot have the same value again. Now the next is the syntax for writing dictionary is, first decide name for your dictionary. Write the name equals to is just a key value pair. Okay, for accessing some element you need to access it through the key. This is the key and this is the value, and key and value are separated with the help of the colon. And next is give comma before writing the second element. Again key and next value, and the elements are written in the curly braces. Okay, and all the elements are separated with the help of comma, and key and value pair is separated with the help of colon. Now we'll see one example for this. This is a dictionary and here we are having 23 is key and 2 3 string is a value for that key. Next one, B is a character, that's why we have to write it in single quotes, and colon 99 is a value for key B. Next is C is another key and XYZ string is a value for C key. Now if suppose I want to add one element to the dictionary, how to add? Just simply write D then key. Remember that existing keys cannot be repeated. So take one new key and assign value to it. Now if suppose I have a new key called E and I am assigning value string high to it. Now what the new dictionary will be? It will be 23 colon 23 comma B colon 99 C colon XYZ, then the new key E colon high. So this will be the new dictionary. Now if suppose I want to concatenate two dictionaries, how to write that? With the help of update function. This is the first dictionary to which we want to add the another dictionary, which is D2. Okay, now I will give you an example. D2 equals to ABC. Okay, it's a key value pair. Suppose F colon 11 comma G colon 22. Okay, so F is a key over here, 11 is the value, G is a key and 22 is the value. And if you write the function update, D dot update D2, so what will be the contents of new dictionary now? 23 colon 23 comma B colon 99 comma C colon XYZ comma E colon high comma F colon 11 comma G colon 22. Understood? Now one more function, delete. Okay, if suppose we want to delete any element of the dictionary, we'll simply use del, then the key for specific element. Suppose you want to delete the value for C, that is XYZ. We want to delete this element. So what to write? We have to simply mention the key. D of C. Delete D of C. So after deleting this, if you are displaying the dictionary, this part will be deleted from the dictionary and you will get only this much. Okay, this was all about the dictionary. Hope you understood this one. Hope to see you in upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.